Hey guys, today I wanted to do a video on how to automate the Suburb research to do a very comprehensive analysis in seconds. But most importantly, if you're a buyer's agent, I just want to show you how to have an audit trail of all of your research and the things that you've done for your client. What I see usually our customers coming across is they do all of the analysis for their client and come to actually asset selection, and then the client might start second guessing the overall process. And if you don't have an audit trail of a comprehensive analysis why you've come to a particular conclusion, you can be repeating the process again and wasting a lot of time. Okay, today I'll use a Co-Pilot to show how you can really streamline that and automate the research process, but also inadvertently develop that audit trail that you can retrieve upon or save under a client's group or client's name that you can always show to the client. So we will be using the Suburb comparison module. Essentially, all you need to do is go into our Co-Pilot, you click on tools, you go on to Suburb comparisons. Let's say today we will compare Williams Landing and Gordon ACT. So Williams Landing is in Vic and Gordon in ACT. As I said before, I think the audit trail is very important for our clients, buyers agents especially, but a comprehensive analysis or a comprehensive comparison really requires you to actually compare suburbs across a lot of indicators, 100, 150 indicators. And then the problem with that is that you need to provide reasoning at every stage or at every step of the analysis process about that particular section that you've analyzed. And this becomes very difficult to actually document and also download to the client in a particular language so that the client actually understands what they are looking at. And this means that you need a hierarchical representation when it comes to information. So you need a quick snapshot of things, but you also need a deep dive option which is saved and stored in a particular location. You can always retrieve and draw upon for your clients should they down the track lose faith in certain selections, because let's face it, we all do. As investors, we always come to these points, start second guessing ourselves. So that's why it's important to have an audit trail of information and analysis that can be continually shown to clients. As you can see, it's drawing a lot of information to actually produce the final comparison. And this is exactly what I said. In order for us to really analyze the suburb across multiple domains, we need to look at, and there's probably over 200 indicators here that we are analyzing, both historical and then forward looking, to actually reach a very comprehensive example that can't be disputed. Once the output has been produced, as you can see, you have a comprehensive output on this side here, which you can download both in Word and PDF formats. You have a summary on the left hand side. What is interesting about this is that you get a one-page snapshot. You can save this PDF snapshot. It gives you a snapshot of some of the information. Final verdict: prioritize Gordon by shortlisting specific houses, specific house stocks. Rejection rationale: Williams Landing is quality option, but is ranked second because such and such. So you get an overall snapshot you can download and actually send to the client, so it's more palatable to the client to understand as well. But now, if you need supporting evidence as to the deep dive, this is where you can really download the actual report that's compared the two suburbs. And this is where it gets very interesting. You can see that we go through a detailed comparison process, and the detailed comparison process is separated into stages of information that's being analyzed. Not only that, each stage has a reasoning as to the comparison between the two areas and why one is better than the other. We start with one suburb, then you go with the other one, and you provide reasoning. Now, by the way, the comparison can have 5 suburbs. This would mean that the report would just be a little bit larger, but at the same time, you will still have that one-page summary at the front that you can use and send to your clients. So you'll see that the report actually draws on a lot of information, a lot of reasoning. It goes into detailed demographics, breakup, and reasoning goes into overall risk breakup for both suburbs, Williams Landing and Gordon. So there is a lot of information that's being drawn: lifestyle and amenities, shopping, dining, education, healthcare, transport. There is a lot of data that is being analyzed, but as I said before, the most interesting and most beautiful thing is that there is a reasoning section after every analysis section that simplifies the information. There's still the information that comes before it. Okay, so that's crucial bit. And as you can see, the report is 24 pages. It's quite lengthy, and which means that the two suburbs have been analyzed from, as you can see, a lot of domains. For example, the comparative analysis, suburb versus market. You also get how this suburb performing in comparison to the actual larger market, and the overall commentary is being provided in the right hand column. You get pros and cons for both suburbs, most suitable investment strategies, which strategy it actually suits, equity extraction time frame, and then finally the conclusion. Okay, and final comparison table. You can download these reports, you can view these reports, but most importantly, you can have an audit trail of your chat history. So if you click on here, you will see your entire chat history regarding everything that you did using the Co-Pilot. And you can download this information and actually send it to your client. You can even create your own client list. So you can analyze under each and every client. And all of the information that you analyze under each and every client will be stored under that client name. So if I, for example, let's say I click on demo client, you will see if I click on it, I have one artifact that is stored under that client, which means that I've done one suburb comparison report. I have one integration. I either integrated into the Zappio and analyze the client's portfolio. You can also access the clients through here. So let's say demo client essentially, and it will retrieve all of the information and everything, the chat history that you have had regarding that client. Now, this solves two problems. The first one is the audit trail, but then the second one and the primary one is actually this paralysis analysis, and also being unsure that the analysis that you have conducted is correct. And in order for us to understand that the analysis that we have conducted is correct, we need to have the ability to analyze suburbs from multiple angles. And as you see here, we have analyzed these suburbs for probably in north of 200 actual metrics to come to a particular conclusion. And all of this is saved under a client workspace that you can retrieve should the client need it. Now, you can also do and email this report to the client and say, okay, thank you. Please email this report to knowledge@HTAG.com. And the AI would also email this report. I'm just emailing it to myself. You can actually email it to the client to have an audit trail as well. In any case, this is essentially a workspace. Your workspace where you have the ability to compare a lot of suburbs across a lot of metrics and have really nuanced reasoning about the comparison that is palatable by the client. You also have one-page summary snapshots which provide the analysis and tell you which suburb is better for particular briefs. But you can also, as I said, deep dive further and actually save that artifact or deep dive analysis across 200 metrics, save that under a client portfolio name that you can access later. Just to show you, the comparison report has been sent to my email. If I go back, and you'll see Williams Landing versus Gordon, it's been emailed. You can actually download the links thereafter regarding the reports, and you can do the same by sending it to your clients. Okay guys, I hope this has helped. As I said before, what is crucial is that we conduct a very robust analysis when it comes to areas, because 70% or 80% of growth in an asset comes from the location, but we also need an audit trail of information. We have to make sure that all of our analysis is stored in one place and that we can continually provide this to our clients when they lose faith or need some kind of reminders, and also for us to be able to track the progress of areas that we've been investing to for our clients and how they have actually moved across different time frames. I hope this has helped, guys. Take care.